Carlo Reyes, bat 69. I was requested by Brad Armel to prepare a speech every closing ko. Actually, yung speech is encouragement. Mas lalong gumamit tayo sa 75th anniversary. Next year, March 5, 2027. So, if you don't mind, babasahin ko na. Tonight, I stand before you not only with excitement, but with deep gratitude and pride. As one of the eldest members of our beloved Apo Delta Chapter, I have witnessed generations rise. I have seen young pledges grow into leaders in their professions, in their communities, and in their families. And I speak to you today with the authority of experience and the love of a true sister in LFS. Leadership, fraternity, and service. During my college days, I had the honor of serving as Lady Chancellor of the APOAS. APOAS noon, the Omega Auxiliary Sorority. But beyond our chapter, I have been elected to the Central Student Council of MIT, now Papua University, having served as elected secretary, then elected vice president, and eventually as acting president. A responsibility that demanded leadership, friendship, and service. But let me say this clearly, none of those roles would have been possible without the friendship, encouragement, and dedicated service of my fellow Apo Delta Chapter brothers and sisters. Every campaign, every decision, every challenge I faced, I did not face it alone. Behind me were brothers who stood here. Beside me were sisters who worked tirelessly. Around me was a family built on trust and shared purpose. That is the true strength of Apo Delta Chapter. My journey in leadership is not my story alone. It is our story. It is a proof that an Apo Delta Chapter stands together. We elevate one another. We empower one another. And we succeed together. And that is exactly why I am passionately urging each and every one of you to attend the 75th anniversary of our Delta Chapter on March 5, 2027. 75 years. 75 years of leadership. 75 years of friendship. 75 years of service. Since our founding in 1925 at Lafayette College, Pennsylvania, Alpha Phi Omega has molded leaders and strengthened communities. And Apo Delta Chapter has proudly upheld that tradition. Next page, please. This anniversary and the upcoming one on March 5, 2025 is more than a celebration. It is a reunion of the hands that built this chapter. It is a tribute to the friendship that carried us through challenges. It is a declaration that Apo Delta Chapter remains united and strong. As your elder, as someone who has served from secretary to acting president of the Central Student Council of MIT, I can testify that Apo does not just give us titles. It gives us values, it gives us courage, it gives us a family that stands beside us, and leadership demands sacrifice. If my journey proves anything, it proves this. Leadership thrives because of friendship, and friendship is strengthened through service. March 5, 2027 is a diamond milestone. It is once in a generation moment. I urge, therefore, that alumni of APCO Delta Chapter to come home. I urge the actives to witness the legacy of you are a part of. I urge the younger members to stand proudly with those who paved that way. Let us gather different facets, different paths, but one brotherhood and sisterhood. When future generations look back at the 75th anniversary, let them see unity. Let them see gratitude. Let them see a chapter that understands the power of standing together. If APCO Delta chapter could help me rise to leadership in the university, imagine what we can accomplish when we all gather around this March 5, 2027. Answer the call. Mark your calendars. Reconnect with your batchmate. Make the commitment to be present. Because on that day, we do not just celebrate 75 years. We celebrate the friendship that made leaders out of all of us. I expect to see you again. Long live Alpha Phi Omega Delta Chapter. Long live leadership. Long live friendship. Long live service.